Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. So for today, I'm going to do some mini saving challenges. So let's have fun and save some money. And also, I received some happy mail that came from Lay Budgets, and we will open it at the end of this video. So wait for that. I'm really excited to open it. I'm stopping myself to opening it up without filming it, you see. I already tear some sides. So let's open this later after we have after saving money. Okay, let's just put it on the side. Let's let's leave it there for the last part, the exciting part. So for today, I'm going to distribute $200. This is part of our paychecks that I separated when I do the budget. And I will distribute it to 8 different envelopes. And hopefully we can finish some envelopes, some mini saving challenges today. So I will explain later which saving challenges it is. So for now, let's do like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8. And the money, how much it is? Let's count. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. So I have a 8-sided dice here that gave by my cousin, Mamshi Queen, new in this community as well. So let's start with this one. 8, money affirmation. 7, this is a great for me Christmas mini saving challenge. 2 for Mickey Mouse. That 2. It's the same one. Donna Power by Creativity 6. 2, 4, 6. I think this is finished. 4. 4. Show the love. Wow. How about this side? This side. Come on. 5. 2, 4, 5. 3. 5. This is the budget. 4. Oh no, 2, 4. Here. Mali. Mali. Wrong. 5 is 2, 4. Mistake budget. 4. Show the love. Wow. Always show the love. Always got more. 7. Love is in the air. 4. You see? 4 again. 2, 4. Let's change this. Love is in the air. Oh no, show the love. 3. Lip plans and budget. 3. Come on, lip. Come on, 1. 3 again. 7. 7. Last 10. Come on, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, yes. All of them have. So let's check which one I finish. So for, let's do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Color $5 each icon, so I'll color here. Did you do your reallocation already for your fitness saving challenges? I watched some, but me, I will not do it for now. I will wait and let's see. And maybe I'll change my mind too. So let me think about it first. So it's $10. So this January is finished, or February. I want to push it until March, but I'm going to do it today. So for, let's say, it's a dice challenge from Donna Create Powered by Creativity. I don't, yeah, here, this one. So let's see, $20. So I will not dice it, I just color it. 6, 10, 5, and 5. Okay, I know it's not like that, but let me just do it like this first. So now, I'll just put it here. And for this one, for Day Plans and Budget, it's a collaboration with Jenny of Simply Living Saves. It's a set of 3 saving challenges, but I already completed one. So how much is it? $40. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 6 plus 9, 15, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Yeah, that's correct. And then 3, 6, 3, 6, 9. So it's 15. So I completed it. Yay! Let me calculate this. 4 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5. So 25. So you put like this. Put 30 then. So it's done. And this one, see, I can still have $10 here before. 20, 2, 4, 6, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. 3, 6, 7, 10, 2, 4, 6, 7. Yeah, 20. And next one, we show the love from this side. This is the finish. So show the love from the collaboration of Fiona and Citas. How much we got here? 50. So we need to color, let's color it green. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'll color it later on off cam. So we got now $50 from this. And what else? So this one is a new challenge. I just put it today. It's from Mystic Budgets. It's a freebie from, if you go to her channel, you can have this freebie by clicking the description box. So each icon here, I put $5. Let's put $5. And we need to color 6 icon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's correct. I hope you don't mind. I just color it a bit, and I color it later on. And for this Lisa Grateful Me, I think it's finished. I think. Let's see. I only need here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So 20. Yay! This is done. This is done. This is done. Ding, ding, ding. So second. This is done. This is done. Another challenge done. So fun. Saving and having fun with the ding, 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 ding. And let's put it together. And I owe here $2 again. So let's get the prop money. Oh no, let's get the IOU one. So Mystic Budget, where is it? So next one is Love is in the Air. Got 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, so it should be 50. Yes, it's $50. Yay, yay. I got $50 here. If I finish this one, there's another one here. Because this is a February saving challenge, but let it be. And for the affirmation, it's into color 5. Mhm. There are no limits to what I can and will achieve. Yes, with the guidance of God. There's no limit. I believe so. So now we got 10. It's supposed to be 14. Correct? Why I didn't write this one? Color this one. It's a mess. So now the saving challenges is done, and let's go to the exciting part. Let's open the happy mail. Yay, yay, yay. Let's be clear this one first. Oh, I'll just put it there. I'm so excited to do it. I'm so excited to do it. Let's put the fitness saving challenges here. And let's pay the IOU later. I owe you here $2. And now, let's do the exciting part. So this is from my budget. If you remember, I have a giveaway when I reach 200 subscribers. And it's just arrived in Hong Kong, the physical product, but the 25 Etsy gift card supposed to be given by to Miss Ange of Ange Budget and that, but when I purchasing a gift card, it doesn't work out. So I message her through her Instagram and asking her how she would like it. But she told me that instead of giving it to her, just the amount of the gift card, just put it into our debt. But as of this moment, I haven't transferred it to my debt binder. To our debt is still on my YouTube binder, but the following month I will transfer it. But for now, I just keep it there. So for Miss Ange, thank you very much for doing so. I'm teary-eyed when you told me about that. And I really appreciate your generosity, and God bless you for doing that. So let's open this. This is a freebie from Leia, because I asked her to give me a new dashboard for the saving challenges that I purchased to her last year. It's a 2023 saving challenge. So let's read it. To Miss Lovely, thank you so much for your continued support. I hope I can magkaroon ka ng mantingiti sa iyong mga labi. This said that this freebie can made me smile. Pag nakita mo, if you saw what's inside, if you saw this freebie. So God bless. So let's open. Ha! I only ordered to her. I only asked her to give me a new dashboard. So I'll show you which one it is. So if you're new, you don't know what it is. So I'll show you. Just hang. I mean this one. So I asked her to give me a new one because I just change it and use the number of in the color there, and then I just paste it in here. So I asked her a favor to give me a new dashboard. And let's see, it's not only dashboard, I can feel it. It's heavy. Oh my God, I don't want to do it, but Leia, you made me so excited. Hi. What's inside here? What's inside here? It's a previous sticker, of course. As mini envelope. Savings. It's better to save than sorry. It's better to save than sorry. Oh my God. She really know me. I really love. I really like butterflies. I only asked for this one, but she gave me. Oh my Leia. I'm going to use this. Really, I'm going to use this on my next when my other when I purchase other saving challenges, which is going to be, oh, I don't know how to explain it. She really know that I like butterflies. Really. Thank you, Leia. It's gonna be useful. Oh, I'm teary-eyed now because I really appreciate it, Leia. Thank you. I'm so grateful for you, and that I made I don't know how to explain it. Salamat, Leia. Napakaraming blessing na dumarating sa buhay ko na I didn't expected, but I think I don't deserve it. One of that blessing is you. I know you. Thank you so much, Leia. Thank you. Oh no, I'm emotional. Sorry. So I just keep this and let's continue. Ooh. So I can change this one. I'll change it later on because there's some money here that I need to put inside here later. So, nagulat ako. So, let's continue na. Drama-drama pa ako. So, she gave me also the IOU one. This is laminated and tiny trackers, placeholders, fully funded placeholder, and some saving challenges again. It's a Halloween, I think. For the pusong sawi, the person is for Valentine's. Single, because it's heartbroken. New appliance showcase for groceries, saving challenge, laptop saving challenge, bills ahead fund, guide to your heart, and some prop money. Wow! Whoa! And what else? There's a small one there. Oh, sticker. No kabale, yan. Ginagawa mo sa akin. Napayak mo ko. And that's all the tracker also. I still have so much tracker. But I really appreciate your gift. Wala na. Nawala na ako sa train of thought. I only lost my train of thought because of this. I didn't expected it to be like this. I only asked for one and she gave so much. So thank you very much, Leia. And to all of you who's watching me until the end, and I'm so grateful for all of you who continually supporting my channel. You don't know how much count you as a blessings. I need to cut it here because I'm getting more emotional again. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you happen to enjoy this video and get emotional with me, please like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on my next video. Thank you so much everyone for bearing with me. That's all for now and see you later. Bye. Be grateful always. Thank you so much.